Hi friends, on Playtime with Littles, we're going to learn all about the letter L. Can you say L? L says L, like ladybug, leaf, lion, and love, because I love playing with you. Let's see if we can find the letter L in our box of pom-poms. Oh, I feel something. There it is. There's our letter L. It's time for the letter L game. Can you help me find all of the things that start with the letter L? Great. Does lion start with L? Yes. Lion starts with L. Good job. Does leaf start with L? Yes. Leaf starts with L. What about car? Does car start with L? No, that starts with C. Next, does ladybug start with L? Yes, ladybug starts with L. Does dog start with L? No, dog starts with D. Last one, does lemon start with L? Yes, lemon starts with L. Great job. Thank you so much for helping me find all of the things that start with the letter L. Let's put our letter L puzzle piece in. To make an L, you go down and over. Write the L by going down, then over. A straight line down and then over. That's how you write the letter L. This is the big uppercase L and the little lowercase L. Both of them are the letter L. Let's practice. What letter is this? Good, that's the letter L. Repeat after me. Say ladybug. Good. Next, say leaf. Great job. Next, say lion. Good. Next, say love. Great job. Thank you for learning the letter L with me. See you next time on Playtime with Littles. Bye.